Welcome to Milak Online Tutorial. Now, in this plane geometry question, it says if PQR, that is this angle shaded here, is 80 degrees, and size SR here to here is the same as QR, then find X. So there is the value of X. Okay. Now, considering that this side and this side are equal, it implies that this angle and this angle will be the same, because if this and this side are equal, it implies that the triangle SQR is an isosceles triangle, and because of that, this angle and this angle will be the same. So here we are. Let us make this A and A. Now, for us to get the value here, so that would be A plus plus 58, all give you what? 180, because sum of angle in a triangle equals 180. So here we have 2A then equals 180, take away 58 will give us what? 122. Now divide both sides by 2 here 1, 2 here, 2 here, you have 61. So our A is what? 61. So if here now is 61, here is 61, but remember that from here to here is what? The whole of the angle is what? 80. And if 80 minus 61 to get the remaining angle here, that'll be what? 19 degree. Okay, so now as such, now I could actually say that angle X is vertically opposite to 19, making X equals 19 degree. Now, but let us see how true is it using another method. Now, look, considering this straight line PQR, okay, now you see that the whole of here is 80 degree according to the question. So it implies that the remaining part here will be what? 100 degree. Okay, so now if, let us also consider VQS, that is this straight line, you will see that from here is 61. Now the remaining part here, from here down here, will definitely be what? That will be 180 minus 61, that will be 199. So the overall 119 degree. Okay, so if VQR is 119 and TQR is 100, so we can ascertain that VQT then will be VQR minus TQR. So this will now give us 119 minus 100 will give us what? 19 degrees. So VQT equals what? 19 degrees. Thank you and God bless you.